Great. So what? So what's the plan?
So, what are our footers now? What size are they?
They're 16 inches wide by 20 inches deep.
Okay.
Yeah.
So on either side, we need 30 by 30.
30 by 30.
Yep.
Like a footer
In the center.
in the center. Okay.
Where the
Oh, it's just like a footer for a column or something like that.
yeah. So we're gonna have a beam that comes across, either LVL or metal.
Okay.
Not sure if it's gonna be steel or
Okay.
LVL at this point. But we need 30 by 30 on each side to support that.
Okay. Like in the middle of the garage. Okay.
Yep. And then over here we need 12-inch turn downs.
Oh, like on the edge of the.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here.
Alrighty.
Rain.
Man, this rain is killing us.
So we need 12-inch turn downs, and then we need a footer right here for the wall.
Right with the posts.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Those posts are probably gonna have to come out
Oh, okay.
before we even do it,
Okay.
because we don't want. So they're metal bases, and what the structural engineer was telling me, she's like, you don't want to bury those metal bases in the concrete.
Gotcha.
They could react with the concrete.
Okay.
So I need Arturo to get out here, support all this, get those out.
Okay.
So that we can pour concrete and then build it back.
Build it back. Okay. Alright.
Yeah. So those are my problems right now.
You still need to call for inspection on the footers, or the engineer is just gonna sign the.
No, I still
sheet.
need to have it inspected.
You still? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
How about the plumbing?
Wednesday.
And they're gonna finish?
By the end of, he said by Monday, we should have a
shoot.
plumbing inspection.
Okay.
So.
Well, in that case,
I have a bunch of obstacles before you can even come back and dig.
Okay. So I tell you what, go ahead and just deal with the plumber for right now.
Yeah.
And then I can just come back next Monday. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start a project on Wednesday or Thursday, and that's gonna take me at least a week to get it done. So that way,
that's fine.
I'll have my people busy doing something.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
All right.
I would let's just touch base and make sure that the plumbing's done.
Okay.
And I need to get these out too.
Yeah. I'll call you back on Tuesday.
I don't even know how I'm gonna support these while we're digging at this point.
Okay.
So logistically, I have some issues.
Yeah. Okie dokie.
I mean, the other thing we could do is pour the footers on now.
No, because you still need to get rid of those metal bases.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
You know, she was like, just pound them. I guess they're hollow, so we could probably just grind them down.
Okay.
But the problem is that how do we gotta angle support.
Angle supports, yeah. Mm-hmm. Just to
keep it up.
Just keep it up, yeah.
And it has to be something pretty sturdy to angle support it. So.
Okay. So I'll call you back on Tuesday and see
where we're at.
See where you're at.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. See, before I can just go ahead and get someone over here to clean the footers and actually dig the footers in here.
Yep.
So, and you still want to have like the level section on this side?
Yeah.
Because everything is sloping this way, so I can still make it level. So.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is just going to be...
How about the bathroom? You know what the bathroom is going to be? Or you just want to leave a space as we talked before?
I want to leave a space right in here.
Right in there? Okay.
That we're not going to pour yet. You have to dig for the 12-inch short.
Yeah, I have to dig. Yeah, I have to dig it for it. Yeah. Alrighty. Sounds good.
Let me get with Arturo and see what we can do to get these posts out of here and support it in the meantime.
Okay. That's fine.
Of course, you know.
Okay,
it's a renovation.
It is. It is what it is, Marco. You know, it needs to be done no matter what. So, you want to move forward.
Yep. Mm-hmm. But I got my letter saying that I can go ahead and pour my concrete on the electrical line.
Oh, which is good. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're still gonna reroute it, right?
Yeah. Well, it's gonna go right there.
Yeah.
In the wall.
The wall.
So it's gonna be.
Oh, it's gonna be in the wall. Okay.
Yeah, it's gonna. Basically, my new meter is going to be on the back side of this wall.
Gotcha.
So, where it's going in right there, I put the post there to know where the electrical is. But we have to pour concrete, build it all, get all of our inspections, have our final CO before we can.
Yeah.
You know, it has to be completely built before we can move it.
Okay.
So.
All right. So.
It's one of those. We know where it's gonna go though, and as long as we can. Steven's gonna have some issues with the plumbing.
Mhm.
Going underneath that line.
Okay.
He's gonna have to go underneath it. So that's what we're kind of like. We'll get that in, and if you cut it again, we'll fix it again.
Yeah, it shouldn't be a problem though. So, yeah.
Hopefully. I didn't think you were a problem.
Yeah. So.
But luckily we found out.
We'll find out. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
It's one of those we found out.
Yep.
And do you need anything from here?
Well, no, I'm just gonna leave my plastic here. So yeah. I got plenty of plastic.
Moved around a bit.
It is. You know, it's been crazy with all this rain, all these delays, but it is. You know, it is what it is. Oh, there's Mike.
There's Mike. Yeah.
Okie dokie. So let me just head up to Lincoln and do some work over there.
Is that where you're working, is Lincoln?
Yeah, we're doing a mono slab over there.
Oh.
So.
Well, hopefully I'll have that property soon.
Oh, you? Okay.
We'll see.
All right, another house.
Another house over there. Yeah.
Okay, no more crossbars, right?
No. Hell with that. Oh my God, no.
All right.
No, I'm thrilled that I don't have to do any crawl spaces here.
No, which is good. Yeah.
You know, I'm gonna have some space that I'm gonna have to build up where the bathrooms are in there just to get the plumbing in. It's okay.
Okay.
I'll just build them up to the other layer and run the pipes underneath, and
that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, Margo. I'll call you back on Tuesday.
All right.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks, Victor.
Uh huh.